Hello. Okay, let's go. Go ahead. I know you'd be on your tippy toes.
I'm not. Okay, let's go.
I'm only using one hand. All right, we have load number 1 done. That's what she said. We are waiting for physical help from friends and family, which is kind of a surprise that both of them are actually coming. My friends are not. We called. They said, yeah, sure, and then not surprisingly, they're not here. But we're putting together the new couch, as well as reshaping the old couch and reskinning it. So yeah, let's do that. And it should look real nice when we're done. So Douglas has been very upset the past, really just day. We're mostly moved. It is a wreck still. There's a lot of stuff that's not put away, but new couches are in. Looks fantastic. We've got Doug's prison cell here. 2 TVs, because I'm balling like that. Just kidding. Living room came out real nice. It's still a little bare bones, but the most exciting part about this house is the toys. The toys that fit in the garage now. I kind of just slammed everything into the garage, so it is a massive wreck. I also did not get to the lights, and now I kind of have to semi-organize because right now there's no room just because everything's everywhere. But I got them in. The sun damage can stop on the GTO. It's a little gone, but oh well. The dog. The rooms are coming together. Also a wreck. Office is coming together. Also a wreck. The old part of the couch. It's exciting. It's exciting. And I never got around to filling these or getting rid of them and then filling them. We kind of very quickly decided, all right, let's pick all of our shit up and move. The construction area in the back is still a construction area. Now we just have 3 bikes added on to the construction area. But I'm still I'm looking forward to a lot of the stuff that we're going to be doing. Hopefully in the near future, once we kind of got everything settled in, we can start the progress again. Oh, actually, right here. So right here in this weird space of nothingness now, we are going to have a nice little upgrade here. You can kind of see there's some tape on the ground. There's some more tape on the ground. So we're framing out some area for a specific little project right here. And we got new little lights here. So hopefully in the next few days, the stuff that we need delivered will get delivered. And then we can have another little video. But until then, Douglas and I are going to continue unpacking. And Douglas is going to continue to watch and sleep while I do it. So anyway, guys, thank you. And I'll keep you updated as new stuff happens.